Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we get to see the benefits of a company that decides to go with its own processing chip instead of relying on a third-party source such as Qualcomm. And the fruits of that labor is we finally get our first images and info about the infamous and very mysterious Google Pixel Watch. Now, for a long time, a lot of people were wondering, where is this thing? When is it coming? What's it going to look like? Since we know that Google acquired Fitbit, which Fitbit basically acquired Pebble. We now have imagery shown here, and shout out to John Prosser for providing this information to the masses out there. And now pretty much it's making its round of news all across YouTube and various different news sources. So the Google Pixel Watch is a real thing. We now know of that. And more than likely, it may be announced later on this year, or it may be showcased at Google I/O 2021. A possible release date for this thing could possibly end up being maybe around when the Pixel 6 launches, which I think would probably be a better notion. And then, of course, we will see the obvious Team Pixel members getting their Pixel 6s along with a little extra goodie, the Pixel Watch. By looking at this thing, I'm actually loving the design of it so far already. A very wide, near bezel-less display. That's actually a nice touch. To some people, of course, opinions, they're subjective. People are going to state their opinions, whether they like the way it looks or they doesn't. But the way that I'm looking at this thing, it actually looks pretty nice. I mean, it's simple. It's not overly flamboyant. And brings a nice design. But the display is what I'm really looking at here, and that's a really nice, really big display. Of course, there's a couple of things that people are now starting to speculate when it comes to the watch itself, types of features that it may have. And one of the biggest ones being talked about right now is the possible return of Project Soli. Hand gestures paired with your smartwatch. It's a thing. I mean, we're seeing them in Google Nest products. So besides the Pixel 4, Google Nest products are also starting to showcase Project Soli, which is air gestures by hand and, motion gestures, I would say, by your hand and fingers. And we could possibly see that with the Pixel Watch. So as I'm doing more research about it, because I want to find out more things about it, what chip is it going to use? What price point are we looking at here at launch? Those types of things is what jogs through my mind right now, and I'm pretty sure it's jogging through yours. And when I get that information, I will definitely update you guys on that. So otherwise, stay locked to the channel. If you have not subscribed, do so and turn on bell notifications so you can be informed when the video drops. And thanks so much for checking out my video. Y'all be cool. As always, peace.